Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the article named Information Literacy in the Age of Algorithms. Sometimes we feel that the algorithm is interacting with us. How does that happen?
How does the internet always seem to know what I like? Who's making these decisions for me?
I am. Sorry, let me introduce myself. I'm an algorithm. I live behind the screen and I can explain how it all works.
Okay, but how come you know what I like?
When you watch, search, like, or share online, you create something called data. Algorithms use data to make connections about you and the things you enjoy. If you understand how algorithms work, you'll have the power to make your own decisions.
Before answering this question, let's start with the article first. This article is a multi-institutional investigation into college students' awareness of and concerns about how algorithms are shaping the news and information they receive from internet giants. Algorithmic literacy is a subset of information literacy. It is a critical awareness of what algorithms are, how they interact with human behavior data in information systems, and an understanding of the social and ethical issues related to their use. The difference between this article and the previous reading exists because this article indicates that the data could be automatically analyzed and indirectly tell us some social and cultural problem, which means the information operating process is replaced by digital technology. Just as what this article mentioned, within the intervention of algorithm, we began to notice how clever computer code influences our daily lives by recommending Netflix films, remembering preference for Amazon purchases, and finding our friends on Facebook's precursors. Most algorithms are easy to ignore since we cannot see, hear, or touch them. While they are hard at work, many of us do not give much thought to the hidden minutiae of their constantly changing proprietary formulas. Their lines of complex and opaque code make lightning fast decisions for and about us in both helpful and unhelpful ways. Instead of automatically recording and analyzing human behavior and thought, Wikipedia is using a more traditional way to operate in a similar procedure, which is offering a platform for users to actively express the reality they believe and publish the final version of one subject based on multiple perspective articles. Wikipedia is an encyclopedia that each account could apply for different authorization to edit or upload articles. More or less, Wikipedia is a reality that majority agree upon. Algorithm for searching engine will also remember what a majority interested in. So this class, I will be intended to provoke in-depth discussion about the relationship between algorithm literacy and Wikipedia literacy. Therefore, the class will be conducted based on 6 questions. What are the similarities and differences between algorithm literacy and Wikipedia? How can users have critical thinking when they are using Wikipedia or shaped by algorithm? What are the importance of understanding the relationship between these two subjects? Is there any business insight on algorithm from company's position, such as why companies incorporate algorithms as an important function, even though sometimes it is helping in a negative way? How can we prevent the bias that are generated by algorithm? Is there any possible solutions for users or suppliers to properly operating algorithm? The purpose of this class is to address students' anxiety and worries about the digital time and help them have critical thinking on this digital age. Within the intervention of machine learning and artificial intelligence, it is important to take more time thinking the literacy logic behind. Therefore, this class is designed for high school and college students. Students will be required to have a 5-minute speech presentation to show their thinking process of any one of the 6 questions at the end of the class, to make it a conclusion of what they have learned and thought for this class. We are facing a global epidemiological crisis. People no longer know what to believe or on what grounds we can determine what is true. It is imperative that truth-seeking institutions such as education need to take the lead to solve the problem brought by the exploding technology. The technical infrastructure that shapes so much of our understanding and social interaction became an engine of surveillance and persuasion, such as trading in the intimate details of our lives to create sophisticated marketing tools to sell consumer goods and ideas. The anxiety will be released when students have a clear mind about the new technology, which means the more they learn and think, the less they feel worried. In this class, I use Wikipedia as a tool to help students understand its literacy and the hidden bias. and make comparison with newly developed algorithm literacy. And then these students have more in-depth thinking about the technology revolution and its implicit impact on human cultural and behavioral decision.